Too much money that major. Holy shit balls. Let's do dual hair denomination. 10 dual hairs is the minimum bet. Here we go. Copper. Come on, coin kitty. Coin it. $20. He pays with that bastard pay really good. Double pop? Fuck no. I got it! I got it! Ring-a-ding. The last spin. Oh, I got all three. No, wait, what? I got double. I don't know. I don't fucking. Nobody knows. Oh my god! Oh, back it up. Golden boner awarded. Woof. She's pretty. Bang it. Boom. Bang it again. Boom. Do it again. Boom. Can it bang out that major? You can bang the shit out of that. Bang it again. Boom. Woo. More banging. Boop. Yep. Bam. Ooh, do it again. Boom. Oh. Ooh, this is good, right? Bam. Yep, yep, yep. Bam. Oh, get the shit out of it. Yeah. Bam. Yep. Again. Oh, that's hot, right? I'm pretty sure that's hot. I'm pretty sure that's hot. Repeater. Repeater eater. Bam. Oh, what are you doing now? You want to go to 176 as well? Bam. Bam. No, okay, alright. That's hot as fuck, right? I don't know. I don't know! What's happening? I'm screwed. I won more than that, didn't I? There's like a bonus or free spins or something, maybe? No? No? Oh, there is! Okay, oh, I thought we were done and I got so sad. Each coin awards $256. Oh my god, give it to me! Come on, coin the piss out of it! Bam! Bam! Oh, yes! Oh my god, it's a coin show every spin. Oh, again! Coin, 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 coin. Yeah, it is! Is that a line hit too? Is it wild? Should be flagging. Ooh. Ooh. Flags paid $20. Oh, this is hot. This is hot. This is hot. Ah, she's so hot. Oh my god, it's $1,000 already. Oh my god. Oh, do it again. Double coins. Where's the horse in the first reel? Oh god. Yes! That is a hand pay. Right? I'm not getting fucked somehow with this. $1,300. Come on. More coin. Yes! Oh my god. Ooh, do it again! 3 coins on the same spin. Yes! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yeah, come on, take me over to the... We're not done. We're gold coin. Gold coin. There's flags. Last spin, don't be done. Gold coin. Oh no. That's hot. Wait, am I still in the bonus? What's happening now? What is happening? What's going on? What is going on? Oh, okay, I guess we're still in the bonus. Okay, fine. Oh my god. win all of that. What? What is happening? Okay, we want green again, I guess? Green. 10 bucks, you bastard. Filling up the spot. Come on, green. Green! Oh! Green. Oh. Come on. Oh my god, green. Green. Come on, green. Another green. Don't be done, damn it. Oh my god, she's not done. Yes! Oh. Now if I get a green, do I get the grand? Oh my god. Oh, she is zapping. Oh! Oh my god. Land it. I pet you and you love it, doesn't it? What just happened? What? Oh my god. Okay. Are we still going? Oh my god. Alright, volume up. Well that was fun. Another session, $10 bets on Dog Nom. Here we go. Back to back. Last spin. King. Damn it. Alright, $10 bets, Dog Domination. Nothing. Damn, that wild guy. Pyrite, please. I want him. Come on. Green. There. 2x multiplier. $60 for that line hit. Wow. Jackie. Last spin. Damn it. Alright. $10 bets. Dog domination. Come on. 2 more green. Horsey? 2x, that's $100. Nice. Oh, just made it. The other 2 horses were there. Ooh, come on. That guy who should have been there last spin. Come on, 3 more.
Not as much as that.
Come on. Ring-a-ding. We got green, repeat and respin. Yes. I tell ya. Okay. She be banging. Bang it. Oh, nitty. Bang. You got him. Bang that piss out of it. Come on. Boom. Do it again. Bam! Keep going. Keep me in a triple-digit land. That was a shitty bang. Shitty bang. Oh, damn it! You could have done. But does it add 90 to that then? I don't remember what the hell happened. And that's the green one then. When we're down here, right? Ooh, you guys. Oh wait. Okay, so every gong thing we get. Yeah, come on, golden gong. Uh-oh. Oh god, don't be that bonus. Oh, there we go. Okay. We got, wait, is that a wild or no? I don't remember. It is, isn't it? Yeah, 3 flags. Okay, all right, nice. All right, come on, golden gong, triple golden gong. Yeah, 2 more. No line hit. Give me a 5-of-kind line hit. Let's see what that's like. That's nice. That is a double. That's a triple. That's too much money. Yes. Got flags. There wasn't a horsey there. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. Uh-oh. Last spin. Don't be done. Go. All right, no complaints. Double. Nice. Oh shit, I forgot about that one. Oh my god. Woo. Come on, green. Green. Yes. Oh, that's nice. Oh, come on, green. Yes, there's green. That's another $200. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa. I win this again, right? So that means what I think this means, right? Oh my god. Oh, that's not. Come on, green. Green me a. Green. Green. Oh, don't be done, green, goddamn mother. Oh. Is that what that means? That's exactly what that means, right? Bam. Oh my god. Okay. All right. Well, go for another $10 bets, dollar denomination. Here we go. Last spin. All right, there we go. Come on. King Kitty. Do it. Last spin. Damn it. All right, we'll give her one more go here, and then. Last spin. Damn it. All right, you guys.
All right, you guys, it's time for another $500 grand finale.
$500 grand finale, $7,000 major. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do dollar denomination, $10 spins. If we get a bonus, we don't double. Then we'll go to $2 denomination, which I would assume would be $20 spins. Trying to win something. Lightning Gong's King. Ring-a-ding. All right, here, volume up. Double or nothing, $10 bets, here we go. Green guy, $30. Damn it, there's one more green here, we went in 5-of-kind. Oh, fuck, 60? Oh, it multiplies even if it's not part of the line hit? Did we know that? I didn't know that. Okay, fine, whatever. Alright, you guys, if this doesn't double, we're going to do $20 bets on $2 denomination. This is the bonus where the major exists, apparently, too. So, here we go. Oh, yeah, get it, King Kitty. Alright, come on. Major coin. Wow. Oh, you can do better than that. Last spin? Ah, yes. That was a female too, by the way, that just did that. It was it came out of her pussy. It was a queef. Last spin. God damn it. All right, well, we're reprieving from Steven there. Boom. so much. Here we go, kiddies. $2 denomination. What's gonna happen? $20 is the only bet. Get that volume back up. Here we go. Back to back. Shit. Nothing. Oh, hit at least something with this. Pop. Do it. Why does the volume keep going down, the bastard? Horsey! Too bad that's not wild. How you doing? Good luck. Good, appreciate it. Thank you. Good luck. Horsey, yes! 5! Oh, son of a bitch. That's $200. If it was a 5, oh my god. You guys are only down a little bit now. Oh my god. Is that something? Aces with a 2. Come on. Where's the 5? Hi. How you doing? Good. Good luck. Thank you. Come on. Oh, come on. $20 is the most you can bet in this game. It's the best chance of that major. Come on. Where's the green or the blue? Oh god, it's gonna be hard to double though with this. Oh, come on, here we go. $200, $200. Oh. Major! Major, oh I forgot this is the bonus with major coin. Come on, major coin! Oh my god. Major coin. Purple rating. Purple rating! You're not done! No! Oh, damn it. Oh my god, we're halfway there. We were down to less than $100 and we're halfway to double down now. Ooh. Boom! Alright, you guys. Come on. Just a line hit with the king would work. Oh god! Oh! Shit! Oh, that's only $40. If he was down there though, oh god damn it. This is too much. Yes! Aces and the thing, only 2x though. $100. Alright you guys, we're even closer now. Come on! Ah! 5! That's only $100. Oh my god. Oh, come on! Oh. Oh, don't suck it all back up now. Don't be that game. You are not that game. Not today, you're not. Oh, fuck, come on. Coin me. Come on. Horsey? No. There's horses in the second reel. Is that nothing? That's nothing. Nothing. Where was the horse? Oh, I saw the mini go by, which is $400. Come on, blue. Damn. Oh no, we're about to lose our profits. Come on. Nothing. Shit. Alright, we're down now. It's okay. It's okay. We can still do this. Nothing. Oh. Two X really. That 1X win though. Come on, coins. Oh God. Oh, there's a guy in the middle of it. 5 of a kind Jacks, which I assume would be not nothing. Come on, coins. 2 away. 1 more! Damn it. Is that something? Fuck no. Horse Eat Kings? That was half my bet. God damn it. Oh no. Alright, well, that was fucking epic. No matter how way you slice it. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe, your thumbs me up, comment down below. See you tomorrow for another fantastic slot video. Ah, get out of there. Damn it. Alright.